Hello everyone, good evening to all. Today I am going to solve a question on starters 119. The question is another good string. Here the question says a string is given to you as a input. A string is called a beautiful string if it have all character are same. Simple, for example, if this is a, this is a good string, then b b b, this is a good string, then a, this is a good string. But a b and try are not good string. So in the question you have given a string of length and consisting of lowercase letters, English letters, and also you have given q updates to perform on the s. On each update consists of a single character that must be appended to the s so that the string length increased by 1. After 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 each update you also and after each update and before any update you have to find the length of the longest beautiful substring of s. Here the task is given as ANNNCC. Here the string is given as ANNNCC. Before any update, before any kind of in this test case, before any update, the length of the substring is 3 because here the NNN are occurs in a continuous manner. So this is the length of the code string before any update are performed in the given string. After if you update the first string after the length of the string, then this will be a NNNCCC. After also the length of the code string is 3, and after you are adding a NNNCCC. In the test case, it is given that s equal to ANNNCC and the q times of updates are CCCD. Length is 6 and q is 4. Here q and length is a. You have to find the length of the code substring before any update. The length of the substring is 3, and after you add first operation ANNNCC, the first is C, so the first operation you added the length of the code string is 3, and after doing the second update ANNNCC, here the length will increase by 1, so the length of the code string is 4, and after update the third operation NNCCC, and third is also C. Here the length of the code string is 5, and after update the fourth operation ANNNCCC, and here the fourth character is D, so the length of the code string is also 5. Code string also 5. This so you have to do. You have given strings such like A, B, C, D. For length and Q is equal to 2 dB. First you find the length of code string. Here in this case, length of the code string, this is also length 1 code string 1. After update the first operation A, B, C, D. Here the first operation is D. Here in this case the length of the code string is 2, and after doing the second operation A, B, C, D, D and B, then the length of the code string is 2. This we have to implement in the code. In this we have to first find the maximum in the given string. We have to find the maximum length of character that are occurs in a continuous manner. Here CC occurs continuous manner, so the maximum length of elements that occurs in a continuous manner we have to find initially. Then we update one string, then we find the maximum length that occurs in a continuous manner. So let's come to the coding part. In the coding, this is the input. I have taken string boulder because it is easy to add and delete a new character in the string. So first I calculate the maximum length of the string that occurs in a continuous manner. Here I find the maximum length. This is the initially I take 0 and then I update the maximum with the maximum count. Then I store the last character of the initial string to a variable of last character. Then I add a new character and check if the new character is equal to last character or not. If they are equal, then I check if the length is more than the maximum length which I have calculated before doing any operation. If this is the length, this is more, then I update the maximum length. Similarly, we can do for q number of operations. After doing the operation, here we can after doing the q number of operations, we can print the maximum length of substring after each operation. After each operation, we can print the maximum length of the good string. Now I am going to run the code. I think this will give the right answer. Yes, 3 3 4 5 5 1 1 2 3. Yes, now I am going to submit the code. Oh, it gives runtime error. It gives runtime error, means the code have some mistake. Now I update the code. Now I am going to submit the code. Let's see what happens. I think this will get accepted. Yes, this will get accepted. Thanks.